we're here.
Hey guys.
I've always wanted to come to this forest.
Yes, it's Mount Yonaha in Okinawa. It's the highest mountain on Okinawa Island. Not in Okinawa. The highest one is on Ishigaki Island actually.
Oh.
But
on this main island,
yes,
this is the highest. Mount Yonaha.
Yes. This
Cool.
is just amazing.
I've never been here.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful.
So quiet.
And this is actually called Yambaru National Park as well. It's like in the national park.
Really?
I don't know. I'm asking you. You're supposed to know.
Just came here to have just a cup of hot chocolate actually. Cause
Salted caramel.
salted caramel.
Not chocolate.
Salted caramel chocolate.
Yes.
Yes.
So we came here to do that because
It's cloudy.
we were working earlier in the day and then we couldn't arrive earlier, so it's gonna be dark in about 3 hours, so it's kind of dangerous if we
2 hours.
do the whole hike.
Yeah. So we wanna just have a relaxing time in the forest.
Yeah, just enjoy. It's so quiet.
Yeah.
It's incredible, beautiful.
Let's go.
Let's go.
It's actually pretty cold
It
now.
is, yeah.
I think it's colder than the city, so I'm not sure, but I feel like it's like 16 or 17. It's definitely colder than Naha.
Yeah, Naha was a little warm today.
Yeah. My hands are so cold now.
I'm sure a lot of people think we're
it's
crazy
definitely
for
more
saying
humid.
that 16 and 17 is cold.
Yes.
It's freezing.
Very humid.
So how many times have you been here?
This is the second time.
That was a long delay. Second time, folks. Did you hear that? It's like a flute. What is that? A dog?
I don't think it's a dog. It could be a bird.
That's a crazy sounding bird.
Oh, misty. I don't know if you can see it.
What kind of tree?
It's beautiful. Which one?
Kind of like the one with the whitish bark. Do you
I
what
don't
that is?
know.
I feel like I haven't seen that in other forests here.
It's thick, yeah, and it's so wrinkled there.
Yeah. For Okinawa, it's a big tree, I feel like.
Oh, it's so mushy. Do you hear owls?
Are those owls?
Yeah. Did you hear that from there?
Yeah,
That
was
way.
beautiful.
Wow.
Check this out. Do you think this is from pigs, wild pigs? Maybe they were trying to dig up
Yeah.
the roots or something to eat.
Yeah.
Because it's a lot. Like, look at this whole area. It's all dug up. But I don't see any human tracks.
Yeah. I don't see pig tracks as well though. But this
Maybe
thing,
that might
yeah.
be one.
I'm not sure
A
though.
hoof. Are there wild pigs that live here?
Yeah.
Do you know?
Yeah.
Really?
Definitely, yeah. You got the fashionable backpack again.
Always. The plastic leather is peeling off.
Yeah, this is a perfect occasion, yeah? Yeah, now I can see the mist in the camera. It's pretty thick, yeah?
Beautiful. Wait, I want to take a picture. Yep.
Hey.
Your seat. Yeah, so prepared.
So prepared. This one is 500. No, Mankatsu doesn't. It's not 500.
I know, like almost 500. So it was like
This is 502 meters.
502.
The highest part.
Oh, so
yeah.
just a little bit more than Mount Kutsu.
So we're gonna have caramel hot cocoa, salted caramel hot cocoa today.
Really fancy.
Really fancy.
Who's it from?
I don't know. From my mom. And a snack. It's just light snacks. And Okinawan. Local. Well, it's
Kinkan.
not local, but
Kinkan.
kinkan, yeah.
Oh, it's not
I
from
mean,
Okinawa?
it's from Okinawa, but it's not Okinawan citrus. You know
Ah,
what I mean? It's not
yeah.
originally from Okinawa.
yeah.
I love this stove.
Yeah, you've brought it on a lot of backpacking trips, yeah?
Yeah, it's always. So 30 millimeters. No, milliliters. That's
It's
it.
saying 2 tablespoons water, 1 shot espresso, and
Espresso?
6 ounces of milk.
What?
So you need more water.
Okay.
You can just boil a bunch and then see how it tastes. No?
I think it's hot. Oh, it's so good.
Really?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yay.
Try.
Oh, it smells really good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's really good. That's amazing.
The orange is
It's
so
really
good.
warm too. I love this cold weather. It's so fun.
Yeah. If they should be like this, yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Good thing they built the expressway.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't take as long to get up here.
The rain is getting heavier, yeah.
Yeah.
I feel it.
It's really relaxing.